You need to hear this if you drive a Kia Sportage. Ever wonder why your battery's always dead? Let's break down what's really going on. First off, what does the alternator do? It charges your battery and powers everything electrical while you drive. If it stops working, you're not going far. Here's how to spot the signs. If you see a battery warning light, dim headlights, or you hear weird noises under the hood, your alternator could be failing. Sometimes your car might not even start at all, so what can you do? Step 1. Check the battery. If it's fully charged but your car still won't start or dies quickly, the alternator's a prime suspect. Step 2. Pop the hood and check the belt connected to the alternator. If it's loose, cracked, or broken, that's an easy fix. Tighten or replace it. Step 3. Listen for grinding or whining noises from the alternator. That usually means the internal parts are worn out. If you've checked all this and it still doesn't work, the alternator probably needs to be replaced. This is a bigger job, so unless you're handy with tools, call a mechanic. Don't ignore the signs. Running your car with a bad alternator can leave you stranded and cause even more problems down the line. So if your Kia Sportage is giving you trouble, now you know what to look for and what to do next. Stay safe and keep rolling.